Dam Safety Act came into force on the 30th of December 2021. In line with the provisions of the Act, it was envisioned to create a central repository of all the specified dams of the country. Accordingly, Dharma, Dam Health and Rehabilitation Monitoring Application web portal was developed and managed by National Dam Safety Authority. Dharma web portal hosts static and dynamic data of all the 6,628 specified dams of the country. www.dharma.cwc.gov.in is the URL of the Dharma. On the landing page of Dharma, details of all specified dams like gross storage, live storage, dam age, and height can be seen. By selecting any state, we can access state-specific dam data and visualize the location of dams on an interactive map. Clicking on a particular dam, we can see details, including project identification code, latitude, longitude, height, type, dam in charge, district information, etc. The Login tab directs users to the login page, where 3-tier credentials have been provided by NDSA to concerned dam authorities of state governments. In dashboard of Dharma, users can view category, inspections, height, age-based distributions, and records of dam incidents and failures. The project list enables users to search specified dams by name, project identification code, etc. In the engineering feature, a tree structure organizes dam components. Users can input their dam data in components like reservoir, spillway, etc. A dedicated inspection module of Dharma allows the dam owners to submit inspection reports. As a result, all the approved inspection reports are being uploaded through Dharma since pre-monsoon 2024. Under Emergency Action Plan (EAP) of Dharma portal, provisions are being made to generate situation-based alerts to concerned stakeholders. The Operations and Maintenance (O&M) module of Dharma portal allows to capture static and dynamic data of dams as per regulations prepared by NDSA. The document library enables users to upload and manage documents such as inspection reports, technical reports, PMF reports, engineering drawings, O&M manuals, etc. Through Dharma, NDSA continue to enhance surveillance, inspection, operation and maintenance of the specified dams for prevention of dam failure-related disasters and to provide for institutional mechanism to ensure their safe functioning. Thank you.